morning, 8th class children. Get ready for class. Open your textbook and notebook with pen. In previous classes, we discussed about sets. Sets chapter. It is very related to our surroundings. Collection of objects. Collection of well-defined objects. Each object is called an element or member. Element we say collection of well-defined objects, collection of vegetables, collection of flowers, collection of players, cricket players, kabaddi players, kho players, like that. Team, collection, and each element is separated by commas and enclosed with a curly bracket. And which are not defined set of beautiful things. Beautiful things, there is no meaning. It is very nice to you, but it may not like by your friend. Such words, the best is clever. So he may be clever in our class, but he may not in other place. There are more intelligence in the global. When we compare with the global, we are nothing. Some students are very brilliant, genius. By birth only they will get everything. They know everything. By birth only. Some students are like that. So such words are not defined. They are not called as sets. Set of beautiful things, set of good players, set of clever students. They are not called as sets because they are not defined. So, we write in a two-phase roster form, set builder form. In roster form, we write the elements separating with commas, and in set builder form, we write only its rule. We write only its rule about the elements, property of the elements. They are prime numbers, they are even numbers, they are vegetables. By property, we have to write. That is set-builder form. And the next we discuss types of sets. Empty set, it is nothing but it is in the name only a set which contains no elements. And singleton set, by seeing the name only, you can say it contains only one element. Only one element in the set. 2 is an even prime. Generally all primes are odd except 2, because 2 is an even number. And it is a prime because it has no factors other than 2. Like that. Where if it contains only one element, it is called singleton set. Finite set. A set which contains a countable elements. It has beginning and counting and ending. You can end up to certain limit. Some set of 100 natural numbers. We know 1, 2, 3, 4. We start, and then we have to stop at 100 because condition is given. A set which contains 100 natural numbers. So it has number. It has a cardinal number, we say. So we can count them. It has a countable elements and infinite. We cannot count. It has beginning but no ending. The set of natural numbers, infinite set, because it has beginning number 1 and it has no ending. Like that. So that is finite. Equal sets. If two sets have same elements, it is said to be equal. Examples are given. Wolf, flow. Wolf, same letters. The elements are same. Wolf, flow. Just you refer your notes or textbook, you will get more types of sets. And the next operation of sets, union intersection. How to do from union? How to find union? Union means to combine all the elements of set A and B. Set A and B are given some elements. In finding union, you find only you combine all the elements in union, and whereas in intersection, take only common elements, write only common elements. That is intersection, A union and A intersection B. And minus also complement set. Also we did like that. You can do all examples given in the last chapter given. Please go through that. If you have doubt, ask me on my number. Now I am going to easy chapter, squares and square roots. Squares and square roots. Third chapter, easy. Squares and square roots. First of all, let us find square. Next, root. To get that root, see, first of all, you please write 1 squared, squared, 2 squared, 3 squared, 4 squared, 5 squared, 6 squared, like that up to at least 30. You should know what is 17 squared. Immediately you have to say 17 into 17, 289. What is 21 squared? 21 into 21, 441. Orally you have to say. Just wait, sir. I will multiply and tell me, sir. It's not good for a good student. A good student learns all these squares up to minimum up to 30 you learn. Some students will learn 100 also. But I am not forcing you to learn. You please minimum 30 you learn. To find like first squares of numbers first, natural numbers, up to 30. If I ask you 15 squared, immediately you have to say 225. Without calculation, immediately you have to say 225, sir. If I ask 24 squared, 576. So you don't wait, sir, I will multiply and tell you, sir. It is not good for a good student. A good student tells immediately. You please learn squares of, please learn or by heart the squares of first 30 natural numbers. 30 natural numbers at least. Natural numbers at least. Now I need not write all, you only write like this. And 14 squared, 15 square, 16 square, 17 square, 18 square, 19 square, 20 square like that. You write up to 30. 21 square, 22 square, 23 square, 24 square, 25 square, 26 square, 27 square, 28 square, 29 square, 30 square. 30 square, 900. 25 square, 625. 20 square, 400. 10 square, 100 like that. All zeros, no, easy. To complete all this, I need not write the answers because you know. First of all, you write the squares first. Later, after knowing these squares, how to find the square roots in the next class I will explain. You please learn now up to 30. 1 squared, 1 into 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, and 100. 121, 144, 169, 196, 225, and 256. 289, 324, and 961, 361, 441, 484, 529, 576, like that. See, you have to write and learn. After that, I will explain how to find square roots. In page number 51, he has given up to 100. Number square. 676, 729, 28, 784, 841, like this. So you write 30 and learn orally by heart all the squares. Later, how to find the square roots I will explain tomorrow. The square numbers ends with, you please observe 1, 4, 9, 16, 5. And again, the same numbers repeats up to here 1, 4, next 9, here next 6. Okay. And these only in square number, only these are repeated. And 5 also. 5. See again 6, here 6. 9, here 9. 4, 4 here. 1 here. 0, okay. 1, 4, 9, 6, 5. 6. Only in the square numbers, it ends a perfect square ends. A perfect square ends with 1, 4, 6, 9. 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 2 zeros. Ends with 2 zeros. With 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 2 zeros. Not single zero. 2 zeros. It ends with 2 zeros. Here 2 zeros. 20 square 2 zeros. 2 or 4. 2 or 4 or 6. See, even numbers. So this immediately we can say whether it is a perfect square. Suppose given 73 given. 3 is in the last digit. It is not a perfect square. A perfect square ends with these digits 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 2 zeros. 2 or 4 or even numbers. So please beware of this. These digits only repeats in every square number. So if you take any square number, it ends with these only 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 2 zeros, 4 zeros, 6 zeros in even number. So this first you learn that squares. Next tomorrow in the next class I will explain how to find